Hi friends, thank you for tuning in. Today we are going to Costco. Shop with me with my handsome.
Let's do it.
Yeah, so these are the things that we need to get for sure. We need to get more of those frozen fruit mix because Justin likes to do it.
The best smoothie packs.
Yeah, the smoothie packs with his protein powder and water and all that, and he makes a protein smoothie. Yeah. And then we just need a bunch of groceries because we haven't been. We only go to Costco once a month, so
samples.
Yes, samples and our monthly haul. Let's do it, friends. So right when we enter, they have string LED lights, maybe for like backyards and things like that.
Ooh, they got blackout curtains.
Blackout curtains. They've got, ooh, those rugs are really nice. We bought those before. The $12.99 memory foam mats, 24 by 36. They have a kitchen mat. They have towels. Ooh, I'm so tempted. We need new towels when Bubby and Saba visit. Over here, they have the Sonicare Expert Results 2-pack toothbrush. Ooh, 2-pack, so like a couple. Okay, $119.99.
I kind of want to get these lanterns, but then I realized I was like, wait, the kids won't be able to like ride their tractors around the grass if I.
Yeah, they'll knock it over.
So wrong.
But it's nice. It's $29.99 for a 2-pack, and it's an LED lantern.
Lifelong LED, like you can't.
Lifelong?
So loud that you can't even replace the LEDs.
Wow. They have all the clothes here, friends. Let's go look. Let's go take a gander, shall we? Leggings here for $12.99. Feels nice. So they have Champion. It reminds me of Joe Coy's joke when he did like a comedy skit on the kid that wore a bunch of Champions. But these are cute and comfy. Nice. These are like the Free People bralettes. But this is $12.99 versus the Free People one, which I think is like $30. This is nice.
What do you think?
I'm looking for a size small, but I'm thinking yes, because they're shaping for like the lower belly touch.
Only $9.97.
See, I need one. Where's my size? They have a 10-pack of no-show socks. It is $9.99, but I feel like a bad mom because like I only buy black socks for the kids so that I can always match it. And then what if I get this and I have like different colors and designs and they don't? So I'm like, maybe I can't play my kids like that. You guys, my favorite shoes, the Adidas slip-on ones. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. The ones that I have at home, it has a hole on the toe, so you know I'm gonna get this for the $24.99. I have to. These are like my house slippers with no hole on the toe for this. Yes. You guys, it feels different and it looks different, and I think they made this stronger because I've had like 3 Adidas of these designs and it's been thin here on the toe. Maybe that's why it's been breaking, but this feels like they double lined it. Like, I'm not lying, you guys. Wow, I'm so happy. They have belts for $12.97.
It's not reversible though.
Oh, okay. He wants a reversible one. Ooh, they have an outdoor fountain. Justin really wants an outdoor fountain, but I'm not feeling this one. This is $2.49. No, honey, no. He's like, ooh. I like the circle one, right? Right? The circle one is more good feng shui, I heard. Like, circle is good. Yeah.
You didn't get my joke, did you?
I did. I heard you say it, and I went on with my day.
You didn't even laugh.
Oh,
that was
ha
like a
ha
dagger
ha.
to my heart.
Ha ha ha.
Normally, you at least give me a chuckle.
Okay, sorry. Oh, there goes the phallic fountain. Alliteration, you like that? Okay. Ooh, a wind catcher for $39.99. Ooh, all the spring getaway stuff.
Yeah.
All the water stuff. The goggles, $15.99. The diver set, the snorkel set, $39.99. The women's life vest, $39.99. And that one's also $39. And then for the kids size, it's $29.99. They have this thing called Extra Blue. Pool Sea Shock Extra Blue. Ooh, big old towels.
Resort towel, it's called.
Let's see.
This is good for the kids for like swim.
Swim lessons?
Yeah. Like
Let's see, let's see.
Just like
it is big.
Them.
Yeah. We have. I don't hang out in the pet section much. They have like doggy pee pads for 15 bucks. They've got a bunch of food. I want to go check out the cat. Oh, they have a cat food, but we have like a special diet for our cats.
That looks like Grumpy Cat.
I know. Hey, Grumpy Cat. So cute. They got Friskies.
We just ran out of magic erasers.
$6.99 for
These-
11.
I believe that the branded ones are better quality than like the cheaper ones that you get at like Dollar Tree.
Yeah, he said it didn't.
Seriously, those other ones, they like shed. You use it for like 2 seconds and it just starts like disintegrating.
To be honest, this is cheaper than Dollar Tree. $6.99 for 11 pieces.
It's one for a dollar over there?
Or two.
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah, but
Still, this is the branded one, so let's get this one.
We're gonna get it. Guys, I got this as PR like a few weeks ago. I tried it. It's pretty cool. It's the Dawn Ultra Platinum Power Wash. You spray your dishes and then you wipe it down. Instead of like putting soap, you just spray it and then. Pretty cool. How much is this? There's no price yet.
Oh yeah, I don't know.
Interesting. Yes, there's no price right here, so we'll figure it out eventually. Cascade Platinum, and it is $4 off.
That's legit.
Right?
Yeah.
$4 off. Getting some extra large for $15.99 trash bags.
I've never seen a woman carry trash bags so gracefully.
I've never tried this before, but I'm gonna give it a chance. These are disinfecting wipes. 4-pack is $9.99. I like to have it in my car. Sometimes I bring it to the gym in my gym bag to disinfect like gym equipment if they run out. So I'm gonna get it. He got his apples. Yes, he did.
Is it just me or did the apples get larger and there's less of them in there?
Baby, it's the same. It's the same. Yes.
They're giant. Look
They're
at
$14.99 for all of those apples.
Oh, it's worth it.
And then we're gonna get the 2-pound clamshell of strawberries, $11.99. We're gonna get one. This is $6.99 for some mangoes. We love mangoes.
Yeah, the Asian store like Ranch 99 or something, usually it's like a lot cheaper.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, these are good.
So we did get the strawberries. We got the raspberries. These are $7.99. And then this is what we have so far. Oh, and Justin got grapes. You didn't mention the grapes, Sunny.
Grapes.
Yes. We're getting some kiwis. These are $7.49. Liam likes kiwis. I'm gonna pack it in his lunch. I'm gonna get this organic cherry almond blue chop kit. It's such a yummy salad, you guys. These look like the sous vide eggs from Starbucks, so I'm gonna get it. Spinach and bell pepper egg bites.
It's like the same things that they have in the Starbucks ones.
Cheeses. I'm excited.
And it's $9.79.
This is the tomato basil soup. It's so yummy, you guys. And then we got clam chowder.
Yes. Bread bowl not included, I don't think.
These are my fave. I gotta get it. Harmless Harvest Coconut Water, $12.99. We're gonna get this tub of yogurt, $5.99 vanilla. It is this one. So we're here in the book area. We always like to get the kids books. They love the books here, you guys.
I'm trying to find out how to train your dragon book.
We already got that one.
No, but the next one in the series.
Okay, let's see.
Really into it. I don't see it.
These are really neat. They sell gift cards, two $50 gift cards for $79.99 for PF Chang's. So you're saving $25. And then they have it for California Pizza Kitchen. Ooh, they even have 5 $20 Pete's gift cards for $79.99. Honey, Teacher Appreciation Day.
That's a good one, actually.
No, for real. We should get this. So we are gonna get this. We're gonna get this for Teacher Appreciation Day. Here we go. We found what he needed.
I'm getting 2 of them.
Ooh, does it fit our fridge though?
Yes, in the fruit drawer.
Okay.
I was hesitant to get these because I saw it had kale and spinach in it. Because I don't really like greeny flavor stuff. Like that's not my thing. But it doesn't even taste it. And it's like I'm getting that antioxidant stuff that I need. We go through so much time. We really do. They love it.
They legit ran out.
$13.69.
Cheerio heart-shaped samples. My fave Premier Protein is not on sale this time around, but they don't ever sell the cookies and cream one or the cafe latte one. So I'm gonna buy online.
This is new. They have
They have vanilla. Yeah, they also have oat milk one, but I'm not. No, thank you. I'm not gonna buy like a bunch, an 18 pack, and try one and not like it. You know. So I'm gonna buy online. I know Walmart sells the cafe latte one. Ooh, this is an award-winning eye cream, $27.99. It's originally $39.99.
Just try that.
Yeah, I never heard of this. You guys, Justin's so sweet. He's like, you can go do your outro. So he's in the back. You guys, so the gift card, we walk in to like this little door in Costco. You give them that big cardboard, show them your receipt, and then they give you the gift card. So I'm gonna save these for Teacher Appreciation Day, and also give me more ideas on what to give them, because I usually give them a gift card, usually chocolates and things like that, but maybe they're sick of chocolate. So let me know. You guys, I'm trying to have the camera hold still, but these are my Adidas Neos that have the hole. You see that? That's my finger coming out, coming to say hello. That's how much I love it. I keep it in the car because whenever I switch my shoes, because I like to switch my shoes quite often, like if I'm wearing heels, because we took this on a Napa getaway and I was wearing heels, and then like if I don't want to be wearing heels anymore, I wear comfy shoes. These were my shoes. They're really comfy. I got them at Target. I love Target. But yeah, I'm so happy I have a pair now that don't have a hole, so I can actually wear it out. But it's not like I prevented myself from, you know, doing so. I was showing them how I had it with the hole.
Oh.
Yes.
Wait a minute. How did you have that in here?
Because I wear it. And then,
that's so random.
You know, I wear it and I take off my shoes and I switch. Oh yeah, we're getting the kids, so I gotta keep my shoes on. Anyways, thank you friends so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.